Shoo, shoo.
Hey, your turn, Mr. Bear.
Is that a bear in a park? Playing hide and seek with children? This is dangerous. I gotta go alert the news.
Breaking news, McCoy. A bear is running loose at a children's park. Let's cut to our live helicopter feed now. Oh my God. What you're watching is live footage of a bear trying to eat children at a park. He can smell the blood. This is Winnie the Pooh, and he's looking for his honey, and his honey is children's blood. It now appears that he has settled for a toucan. Oh my God, if you have small children, turn them away now, as he is violating this toucan. And it also appears that we have some onlookers videotaping and laughing. Wow, what a disgrace. This is no laughing matter. I'm getting word now that police are on the scene and are going to attempt to stop this bear.
Oh man, Mr. Barry, you found me.
Oh my God! That bear's about to attack that child. It's a good thing I brought my gun. It's just painted to look like a Nerf gun just so I could shoot it in the playground, even though it's a very real gun that fires real bullets that definitely will kill him, because it's a real gun and not a Nerf gun. Get away from that kid, you...
Daddy! Jeffy, I broke my pencil.
My teddy bear got shot!
Wait, what?
Turn on the news and find out!
Okay.
Breaking news, McCoy! Police have shot and killed the bear that was running around the children's park. Here's Officer Brooklyn T. Guy with a statement.
Hello everybody, my name is Brooklyn T. Guy. I am the officer that shot and killed this bear. At the time of the attack, we thought it was a real bear, but after we get it back to the station and cut it open, we realized it's just a teddy bear. It's a big old stuffed animal. We thought maybe there was a person in there, but no, nothing. It's just a big old living teddy bear that was brought to life as if by a child's wish and nothing else. So, it's dead now, so, oops.
See, Daddy, look! Well, this doesn't make any sense. He wasn't alive. He's just a teddy bear. He was alive, Daddy. He was running around and we were playing at the park. Well, doesn't make any sense, Jeffy. Hold on. Let me go into the door. Let me see what that is. Oh.
Where's your stupid giant bear?
He died.
He deserved it.
You're alive?
Oh no.
The Jeffy Puppet is now on sale, so go get yours today at smlmerch.com.